What's up YouTube, it's your boy Jakwon back in another video to Leaf Fashion, and today we got a new pickup. My last video, if you haven't seen, I got some new patch reunions. They were all orange, they dope. You should check that video out. I made a video on the Billionaires Boys Club hat. I had got a red one, link in the description for that video, but I got my second Billionaires Boys Club hat. And like the dad hat, the classic hat, what they call it, but there's a little different from the dad hat. Got the package in, so let's just unbox it. I was wanting this hat for like the first 2 weeks when it came out, and then I was like, you know what, I might as well cop it because it's the same as the red one. It just got a different design, but I'm gonna show you guys. Comes in the packaging, Billionaires Boys Club. As you can see, this is the leopard print cinnamon stick. I think it's leopard print, yeah. So I have a leopard print hat by Dope Couture. I did a video on that. It's teal blue. And I love that hat. It's really exclusive. It's like 1 of 50 or something like that. Super exclusive. Released a long time ago. But this is, again, another one in cinnamon. Now, it is flattened from the packaging. I wish it would have came in a box. But when you open it, you have the classic hat. Now, this is super clean. Super clean. I'm gonna have to like get it like to be fit more because it's been just smashed. It just feel like it's hot too, so the feel of it feel like it's ironed in or something. But you got the BBC tag, of course, Billionaires Boys Club on the back, the cinnamon, ooh, super nice. Got the BBC with the astronaut on like the head, the astronaut head on the front, which is fire. Like it a lot. That's super clean. And it's just leopard print all over, and it's got like a little cinnamon inside, cinnamon color. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. Probably got a little too tight, but I want to get the fit in. Probably a little too tight though. I like it though. Like you see, it's very dope. Like this is something. There's no fall coming up. I'm probably gonna wear this with just like a basic black tee. You know, some. I don't know. The shoes probably be hard to match because if you try to match this color, it's actually pretty hard. I mean, you could do like, I don't know what colors would really match this except for like black, maybe brown, but not really brown. More like a cream type of feel vibe or something. I really don't know. That is the hardest part about these hats is they always do these colors. It's super hard to match the shoes, but you can just wear basic black shoes. But I don't really like wearing just all black shoes. Never really do. I like to have a little bit of color in it, but I figure it out. So comment down below what you think about the hat. If you picked it up, or if you think about picking it up. I think they might be almost sold out. Maybe, I don't know. Last time I checked, there was some on there. Maybe they still are available. I got this from Karma Loop, so because on the website, on the Billionaires Boys Club website, they was gone. I got it on Karma Loop. I still wish I would have got the saucer hat. I'm still mad about that. It had like the little UFO saucer on it. But yeah, it's pretty cool. This is one, I don't know if it's gonna be my favorite, but I like it a lot just because of the colorway. But yeah, it's super dope. But I'm your boy Jakwon. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. More videos on Leaf Fashion. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Thank you for watching. Peace.